Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over the best affiliate product to promote on MaxBounty. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon world. Now, I'm making this video for anybody that's in affiliate marketing, anybody that's thinking about getting affiliated with affiliate marketing, and for people that already know about it but don't know exactly what product to promote. This video, I'm sharing with y'all the best product to promote on MaxBounty. I was just inspired to make this video for y'all because of this ad right here. Now, this page, I'm pretty sure if you've been on the internet for the past 5 years, I'm pretty sure you've been on a website, clicked some type of link, clicked somewhere on the website, and was redirected to this page saying your Adobe Flash Player is out of date. Now, this actual page has nothing to do with your Adobe Flash Player. Even though it may be out of date, it could be 100% up to date. But when you're on a website and you click and you see Adobe update your Flash Player, your Flash Player is out of date, this is an affiliate marketing offer that has been getting people rich for years. And you would go through courses and everything just to find out this information that I'm about to give you for free. Now, what you're seeing right here, like I said, is an affiliate offer. You can look in the link address and you can see tracking information that goes back to the person who set this up on this website. Now, where you get this from is MaxBounty, okay? And you can see in the description, Adobe Flash Player runtime lets you effortlessly reach 1.3 billion people across browsers and iOS versions. So this is a big product to promote. It's a product that everybody has seen on the internet. Like, leave a comment if you haven't seen this. Leave a comment if you have seen this page, just browsing on the internet. I want to get a consensus, you know what I'm saying, just a vote and see. But I believe everybody has seen that Adobe Flash Player, and it's easy to promote. Now, when you see this page right here, I'm sorry about that, but on this page right here, we can see the commission details, right? We get $3.80 per lead. You can see the allowed traffic. You can see that I'm approved, and you can see that this has no daily cap. A lot of affiliate marketing offers on MaxBounty have a daily cap, but this has no daily cap, meaning that you can make $3.80 on however many people you promote to if everybody downloads the link. Now, you can see all of the requirements right here. You also can see that you get an extra 24 cents for getting a lead. Now, in order to create a link for this, you have to go over to the right here, and you can. So what we're gonna do is a social, and I want a raw link, and I want that to be the landing page. And you see I got my tracking ID. My tracking ID pop up right here. Then we copy that. Now, once we have our tracking ID from MaxBounty, we go over to a website called Propeller Ads. And what Propeller Ads does is it's linked with a network of websites to get you here. To get you, so how I got here, I was downloading a YouTube video and I just clicked something randomly and it popped up here. So what Propeller Ads is it works with a network of websites, and it takes your ad and places it on those websites. So this is how you set up a Propeller ad. So we're gonna call this Adobe, and what you want to set up is a push notification style ad. Everybody will see this type of ad. It's the best ad to run on Propeller Ads too. So the pricing model you will use is CPC, meaning cost per click, meaning you're paying for every time they click on it. Not for the amount of times they see it, but every time they click and go through with it. That's what you're paying for. So you would enter in your URL, scroll down, and here is where you would enter in a title, Adobe Flash Player, description, picture. You will enter that all right there. So you have a traffic option. You can choose all premium traffic or all traffic. You can also break it down even further, like what type of traffic you want. Go into the countries you want bid, but here is where you would type in the CPC rate. So as you can see, the maximum right now is 8 cents per click, and the minimum is 1 cent per click. Now, the scalability on this is huge. If you do the math, I'm not going to do the math off top, but the scalability of this is huge. If you're paying for every person, you're paying 1 cent, and the potential return on that is $3.80. Matter of fact, when you add in the 24 extra cent that you get on a completed lead, the potential return is $4.04, and you're paying at max 8 cents for somebody to click on your ad. This is a winning method. Now, you'll pay for people promotions and pay for people courses just to find that out. Just to find out that you have to pay for advertisement so you can make money on MaxBounty. I hope this video has helped somebody out there. Like I said, you ever see this Adobe Flash Player? This is an affiliate advertisement product that has been making people millionaires for years. It's somebody set up on a beach right now that just ran this campaign and making all type of money from people downloading Adobe Flash, thinking that their computer needs to be updated with Adobe Flash. So it's your boy Young World. That's my video for today. If y'all need more help with MaxBounty, leave a like under the video, comment on the video, let me know your thoughts. It's your boy Young World. I'm out. Peace.